I know from just working on patients the challenges that we all have when someone is in front of us and trying to make sure that we have the right mindset. I'd like to ask Dr. Bill if he could explain maybe the processes that go on inside of his head when there's a person on the table. And is there ways that what does he do to try to keep the noise from life and stresses that he may be experiencing life, and how he can get that stuff out of the way to focus on the patient? And then what goes through your head when you're actually making an adjustment with your client?
That's a really good question. I am a human, and sometimes that chatter goes on, and I hate it, but it does go on. So I try to calm that down. And for me, I try to concentrate on a visualization of a perfect adjustment and the result that I expect out of that adjustment. And so you love the patient and you try to become one with the patient. They're laying there on the table, and then you're making the adjustment and you're picturing it as being a perfect adjustment. And I'm fairly busy, and so I don't spend a lot of time with my patients. They're in and out in under 10 minutes for sure, sometimes under 5. It doesn't take me long, but the subtle little suggestions that you give your patient are incredibly impactful. And I'll say something as simple as, I got it, when I adjust them, or, oh boy, that was a good one, or little things that they're open, nothing else is coming in except my voice. And so make those positive suggestions on every case. And any little phrase, and we talk about these in phase one a lot, little things that you can say to the patient. This one's going to make you strong. This one's going to really make you wide awake. Whatever you tailor to the patient, you got to keep it positive, and you got to keep it brief. Like a patient can't take in a whole lot at any one time. So make it powerful.
Awesome.
Or I'd simply say, man, that was a great adjustment. Little things like that